Hello, you are okay now? Orange 2, full. Huh? Blackie, you are okay now? Orange. And black white. See, we still have here. So finished. Finished. You don't like to eat anymore. Okay. Orange. Oh, Blackie is very big now. You are now a cat. You are not a kitten anymore. Still busy? See, Blackie is still very busy. The other kitten finished eating. Ming! Black white. Oh, she's cleaning herself now. Orange want to sleep. Orange too also. But Blackie still busy eating chicken biryani.